In class today, we are going to be making a hollow box. This is the first stage of our next project. And what you are going to do, I'm going to show you how to roll out your clay slabs. In class, you will see two 3/8 inch sticks. You'll have a board to work on, two templates. You're going to have a wooden dowel to roll out your clay, and you're going to see some clay. The first step is to get yourself set up like this. And then the next step is to come to the clay bag and you're going to cut off about 1/2 inch of clay. And you'll have to keep, getting up, going to the clay bag, which is in the front. What you're going to do is put your clay in between the two dowels. And this is pretty high. So if you want to, you can smush it down a little bit so you don't have to work so hard with the dowel. So smush it down. This clay is cold, so it's kind of hard to roll. And you're going to roll out your clay. And I sort of get it going like this, and then I gradually will push the clay. Come back. And the goal is to get it even to that 3/8 inch thickness. Clay projects have to be hollow. And so even though this looks solid, it's made with 3/8 inch walls of clay. I'm gonna roll this backwards. And you wanna be sure that it is truly 3/8 of an inch. So go again, and your dowel should hit the wood. From there, the next step that you're going to do is take your template, and in this case, you really probably can only get one out of this. You need 4 of these. So you're going to take your fettling knife, and you're going to cut, and you need to be as exact as possible. Cut your clay out and put that aside. You can see that I've already cut mine. I have 4 of the same size and 2 of the smaller size. So I'll just put this right here. And I want to show you that when you have your clay like this, you just take it, smush it up, and you can even add your other pieces of clay. You don't have to cut it straight off the clay bag, and you can wedge it with the palm of your hand and push those clay particles back together, and then put it back down. And then get that ready for your next. So you'll have 6 pieces total. Once you're finished with cutting out your clay, let it set for a second. If it's super floppy, this is pretty good. But if it's really, really wet, you might want to take it to the hairdryer, which is in the classroom, and dry these out a little bit so they're not as flimsy. And that is how you cut your clay slabs.